Welcome to Tanmaz Blog. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, ইতিমধ্যে মই তোমালোকক অষ্টমমান শ্ৰেণীৰ ইংৰাজী বিষয়ৰ এক্সপ্লোৰ ইণ্ডিয়া কুইজ টাইমৰ পাঠটো অসমীয়াত ব্যাখ্যা কৰিছোঁ। লগতে এক্টিভিটি 1ৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰসমূহ কৰি দিছোঁ। যিসকল ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীয়ে মোৰ প্ৰথম ভিডিঅ'টো চোৱা নাই, প্ৰথম পাৰ্টটো চাই ল'বা। ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত ইয়াৰ লিংকটো দিয়া হৈছে। গতিকে আহা আজিৰ আমাৰ পাঠ এক্সপ্লোৰ ইণ্ডিয়া কুইজ টাইমৰ লেসন নম্বৰ 3 এক্টিভিটি 2 পৰা 11 লৈ সম্পূৰ্ণ কৰিম। সম্পূৰ্ণ অসমীয়াত সহজে বুজি পোৱাৰ বাবে ব্যাখ্যা কৰা হৈছে। গতিকে আমি আজি আমাৰ পাঠ আলোচনা কৰোঁ। ইতিমধ্যে মই প্ৰথম ভিডিঅ'টোত এক্সপ্লোৰ ইণ্ডিয়া কুইজ টাইমৰ পাঠটি ব্যাখ্যা কৰিছোঁ আৰু এক্টিভিটি 1ৰ কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰসমূহ দিছোঁ। আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম Activity 2. Activity 2. How well do you know your country? Complete the following sentences. They are from the lesson and are about our country. তুমি তোমাৰ দেশৰ বিষয়ে কিমান জানা? তলৰ বাক্যবোৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ কৰা। এইবোৰ পাঠৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে আৰু আমাৰ দেশৰ কথা কোৱা হৈছে। A. The ancient name of Assam was Kamrup. It was also known as answer hobo Pragjyotishpur. B. Sukapha established the Ahom kingdom in Assam in the year answer hobo 1228 AD. C. This does not share its border with Assam answer hobo Myanmar. E. The capital of Assam during the Ahom rule was answer Rangpur. E. The colors of our tricolor national flag are dash, dash and dash. Answer saffron, white and green. F. White stands for dash and dash. Answer peace and truth. G. Mahatma Gandhi was born in dash in the state of dash. Answer for Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar in the state of Gujarat. H. Amritsar in Punjab is famous for the dash of the dash. Answer for Golden Temple, Sikh. I. The largest population of Indian rhino can be seen in dash. Answer of Kaziranga National Park. J. The ancient name of Patna, the capital of Bihar, was answer of Patliputra. K. The Qutub Minar, the world's tallest free-standing stone tower, was built in dash by answer of 1193 Qutbuddin Aibak. Activity 3. Test your memory. Match the statement under A with correct statement under B without looking at the lesson. স্মৃতি পৰীক্ষা কৰোঁ আহা। তলৰ বাক্যবোৰ ক অংশৰ লগত খ অংশ মিলোৱা পাঠটিৰ সহায় নোলোৱাকৈ। A1. One name by which our country, India, is known as Hindustan. Answer of B4. Bharat or Bharatvarsha is another name for it. A2. The color of the first band of our flag is saffron. Answer of B1. It signifies courage and sacrifice. A3. The blue wheel in the center of our flag is called Ashok Chakra or the Dharma Chakra. Answer of B2. It signifies there is life in movement and death is stagnation. A4. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal? Answer hobo B5. It was in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. A5. Dandi in Gujarat is famous for a historical event. Answer hobo B3. Gandhiji's Salt March started here in 1930. Activity 4. Listen to an announcement. Your teacher will play it for you. As you listen, state whether each statement is true or false. Mark the option T if the statement is true or F if it is false. Tumar hikkoke pori dia ghoknati huna. Tar pisot shuddho bakyoborok T aru ashuddho bakyoborok F akhorere চিহ্নিত কৰা. A. The announcement is about the ancient rains in Assam. Answer hobo false. B. The announcement is about postponing the quiz program. Answer hobo true. C. The quiz program has been postponed indefinitely. Answer hobo true. D. The quiz program has been rescheduled for next Monday. Answer hobo true. E. The next date of the quiz has been notified in the announcement. Answer hobo false. F. The participants of the other districts are requested to go back. Answer hobo false. G. The new date for the quiz will be notified shortly. Answer hobo true. H. Students of the Venu school are asked to go to their classes. Answer hobo true. Activity 5A. Imagine you are members of the literary and cultural forum of your school. In groups, draft a notice inviting participants to join the zonal level quiz competition to be held on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd, Monday at 10 a.m. Write all the important information about the quiz on the notice board. ধৰি লোৱা তুমি বিদ্যালয়ৰ সাহিত্য আৰু সাংস্কৃতিক বিভাগৰ এজন সদস্য। তুমি এখন জাননী প্ৰস্তুত কৰা আঞ্চলিক কুইজ প্ৰতিযোগিতা অনুষ্ঠানৰ লগত সংগঠিত ৰাখি যিখন 2 অক্টোবৰ তাৰিখে গান্ধী জয়ন্তীৰ দিনা সোমবাৰে ৰাতিপুৱা 10 বজাৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হ'ব। জাননীখনত কুইজ প্ৰতিযোগিতাৰ বিষয়ে সকলো প্ৰয়োজনীয় তথ্য প্ৰকাশ কৰা যেন। মই নোটিছ বৰ্ডত উল্লেখ কৰা নোটিছখন পঢ়ি দিছো। Notice quiz competition. This is to inform all students that the school has decided to organize a quiz competition in our school on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd, Monday at 10 a.m. Hereby, interested students to participate in the quiz are requested to give their names to respective class teacher on or before 30 September. Mr. TDS, Member, Literary and Cultural Forum. B number. Now think of the preparation for the event. Write the rules you would like the groups or participants to follow during the competition. তুমি তোমাৰ কুইজ প্ৰতিযোগিতাৰ বাবে কিছুমান নিয়ম নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰা। Answer A. There will be 5 rounds in total. 2 number. Each round, each team gets 1 direct question. 3 number. For direct correct answer, get 10 marks and passed over get 5 marks. 4 number. Each team gets only 10 seconds to answer the question. Activity number 6. Let's learn some grammar. ব্যাকৰণ শিকোৱা Words such as what, where, when, who, whose, and how are question word. Now, write question to each which is of the following sentences are and প্ৰশ্নবোধক শব্দ তলত দিয়া উত্তৰ বিলাকৰ বিপৰীতে এই শব্দবোৰ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি একোটাকৈ প্ৰশ্ন লিখা A. We are from CR School, Tinsukia. Which school do you come from? B number. You will get 10 marks for a direct question. How many numbers will you get for a direct question? C number. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in memory of his wife. Question. What did Shah Jahan build in memory of his wife? D number. Guru Ram Das built the Golden Temple. Question. Who did build the Golden Temple? E number. The historic salt march started in Dandi in Gujarat. Where did the historic salt march start? F number. Kaziranga is famous for the one-horned rhino. Answer. Why Kaziranga is famous for? Z. The winner of today's quiz is Team D. Who is the winner of today's quiz? Question 7. In pairs, make yes, public no question for the following answer from the quiz. One is done for you. তলত দিয়া বাক্যবোৰৰ বাবে yes, no উত্তৰ দিব পৰাকৈ প্ৰশ্ন বনোৱা A number. Are you representing the East Zone? Answer. Yes, we are representing the East Zone. B number. Is the Tezpur Academy in Sonitpur? Yes, the Tezpur Academy is in Sonitpur. C number. Will the winning team represent Assam in the National School Quiz Competition? Yes, the winning team will represent Assam in the National School Quiz Competition. D number. Was the ancient name of Assam Kamatapur? No, the ancient name of Assam was not Kamatapur. E number. Does the capital of Assam during the Ahom rule was Coach Bihar? No, the capital of Assam during the Ahom rule was not Coach Bihar. F. Does saffron color in Indian flag signifies courage and sacrifice? Yes, saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. Z. Is Porbandar located in Assam? No, Porbandar is located in Gujarat. Question number 8. Imagine you are the school captain who is in charge of all the volunteers for the quiz program. In order to maintain discipline among the students during the quiz, an announcement has to be made. Discuss group and prepare an announcement to be made at the beginning of the quiz. ধৰি লোৱা তুমি স্কুলৰ প্ৰতিনিধি যিয়ে কুইজ প্ৰতিযোগিতাৰ সকলোবোৰ দায়িত্ব লৈ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীৰ মাজত প্ৰতিযোগিতাৰ নিয়মাৱৰ্তিতা বজাই ৰাখিবৰ বাবে সমনীয়াৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰি এখন ঘোষণা পত্ৰ তৈয়াৰ কৰা 8 নম্বৰ এক্টিভিটিটো 5 নম্বৰ এক্টিভিটিৰ দৰে একেই এটা নোটিছ লিখি ল'ব পাৰিবা Question 9 Read the lesson carefully. In the lesson, the members of each team have introduced themselves to the audience. Taking a clue from them, take turns to introduce yourself to the class. পাঠটি ভালদৰে পঢ়া এতিয়া পাঠটি যি ধৰণে প্ৰত্যেক দলৰ প্ৰতিযোগীয়ে নিজৰ পৰিচয় দাঙি ধৰিছে তাৰ সহায়ত তুমিও সেইদৰে নিজৰ পৰিচয় শ্ৰেণীৰ আগত দাঙি ধৰা Question 10 Let's take a trip to our past. যে আমি আমাৰ অতীতলৈ যাত্ৰা কৰো আহা প্ৰজেক্ট ওয়ার্ক তলত কেইটামান প্ৰজেক্ট দিয়া হৈছে এইকেইটা প্ৰজেক্ট তোমালোকে নিজে নিজে দল হিচাপে কৰি লবা Question number 11 Let's talk. কথা পাতো আহা কিতাপৰ সহায়ত তোমালোকে এটা পিকচাৰ পাবা সেই পিকচাৰ সহায়ত তোমালোকে কথা পাতি লবা ইতিমধ্যে আমি এক্সপ্লোৰ ইণ্ডিয়া কুইজ টাইমৰ আমি এক্টিভিটি 2 পৰা 11 লৈকে সকলো কিটা কৰিলো আৰু সময় আমি বৰ্ণনা কৰি দিছো কিবা ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি হলে নিশ্চয় জনাবা আজিলৈ এই পাঠটি মানতে সমাপ্ত কৰিছো যিসকলে ইয়াৰ প্ৰথম পাৰ্টটো চোৱা নাই ডেসক্ৰিপচনত গৈ ইয়াৰ প্ৰথম পাৰ্টটো চাব পাৰিব আজিৰ পাঠটি মানতে সমাপ্ত কৰিছো সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো